Hi there, students. A struggle, a countable noun, could be uncountable as well. Struggle. To struggle, a verb. Okay, to struggle is to strive to do something, to strive against something, to labour or to fight for something that is difficult. It's not easy to achieve. So, I struggled to carry the washing machine up the stairs because it was just too heavy for me. The lion was struggling to get free from the cage. I've been struggling to do my maths homework this afternoon. When business is difficult, when the country is in an economic downturn, it's a struggle to make ends meet. Yeah, I'm struggling to get enough money to survive. So I'm trying to do something. I'm battling to do it, but with great difficulty. I was struggling down the street. I was moving down the street with great difficulty, with great problems. Yeah, I struggled to the shops with this heavy box in order to try and sell the contents. Yeah, if you're struggling, particularly in a continuous tense, you're in danger of failing, you're in danger of not succeeding. So John is struggling in my English class. He's having difficulty keeping up. My team were struggling in the match. Yeah, they were really outclassed. You could struggle with someone, you fight with someone. Yeah, normally this is pushing and shoving but without actually punching. Yeah, to fight, but especially with your hands. Wrestlers struggle with each other, and therefore, more metaphorically, to use a lot of effort to deal with something, to defeat something, to prevent something happening, or to achieve something. So I've been struggling with the county council for months to get them to give me permission to build on this piece of land. Yeah, a struggle is a great effort. Yeah, where or a difficult task. It's been a terrible struggle to get him to understand this concept. Yeah, I struggle to do this. Yeah, I have difficulty doing this. I've been struggling to change the way that this system works, but nobody really wants to help me with it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The the dog has been struggling to get off its lead. In the armed struggle against the invaders, it has been very difficult. So notice, an armed struggle, this is a war. You could have something as well that's an uphill struggle. It's very difficult to get something done. It's been an uphill struggle to bring my children up to be nice, gentle, kind people. No, it hasn't. It's been easy. They've been lovely people. But you could consider it that. Yeah. Okay. You the struggle between God and the devil. Yeah, a power struggle in a political party. The children were struggling with each other, trying to beat the other one up. I struggled into the car but it's because my back hurt and it was difficult. A struggle, a fight, yeah? They struggled outside the pub. It looks like banks are struggling to maintain liquidity at the moment. Yeah, a hard effort to achieve something. Yeah, there was a struggle for control of the country. Yeah, it's been a struggle to earn enough money to make ends meet. I've been struggling against the system since I started. Yeah, the struggle for equal rights. Yeah, so you struggle. You're finding it difficult to achieve something that you want. I struggled to understand the mathematics. I struggled to reach my target at work. It was a struggle to reach my target. Okay, so all of this is talking about it's a fight. It's been a difficult thing. It hasn't been easy. Yeah, it's talking about fighting, wrestling, grappling. Yeah, contending with, vying with, endeavoring to do, making every effort. Yeah, to stumble or to flounder. Yeah, I struggled back home despite my twisted ankle. Okay, so that was a large number of examples there. Let's see, formality to struggle. I think I'm going to give it... Okay, he struggled to do this. I think I'm going to give it 4 informality. Use informally, use semi-formal speaking and writing. I wouldn't use it in something very formal that's written. Yeah, there may be 1 or 2 occasions where you could. And then as to origin, I think maybe this is to do with the sound. You're struggling with someone, yeah, or maybe from Middle Dutch, strukkelen, to stumble, to trip, perhaps. Proto-Indo-European, strug or stir, to be stiff, to stumble, to fall. Yeah, to struggle, to stumble. Yeah, I can understand it. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To struggle, a struggle.